Today we're talking about rotors and why they rust on the inside first versus the outside. There have been a lot of questions on why rotors typically rust right here before they rust on the outside. Did some research into this, and it's kind of interesting because there's no real reason why they rust in the inside. Some of the reasoning is it's aerodynamics of the vehicle. Outside of the rotor, well, that gets more air, more drying, and it stays a lot cooler compared to the inside, which rust, it likes heat, water, and debris to stick to it, and then it starts to corrode. But there's no conclusive proof. But there is a solution. On some aftermarket rotors, they actually have painted surfaces for the hat, in the fins, and on the inside of the rotor itself. And this can prevent corrosion on the inside from forming. This can cure a lot of brake noise over the entire life of the rotor itself. While the engineers and scientists haven't really agreed on why a rotor corrodes on the inside first, we have a solution. These coatings can make a brake job last a lot longer with a lot fewer comebacks for your shop. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.